Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And as a woman in my mid 40s, one of the things that I noticed first about my skin changing was that my neck and décolletage started to look kind of crepey and not as firm as in the past. I am super impressed by the results I've already seen by using this Womaness neck serum for just a few weeks. I've seen that my skin is looking less crepey, it's looking more smooth, and the wrinkles are less defined. This tube is a genius design. It makes it so easy to apply to your chest and neck. It has a cooling roller on it, so all you do is take the cap off, twist the top, and then squeeze a little bit onto the applicator. You'll see that it raises a little bit when the cream has applied to it, and then you simply roll it on your chest and neck area. Now, I might do a little bit of tapping on the top of that or perhaps a little bit of smoothing, but in general, I just do the roller until I can feel that it's completely absorbed into my skin. If you're looking to improve the appearance of your skin, you're going to love this Let's Neck from Womaness. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.